Hi, this is me again, trying to fixing a Tesla Model 3 battery pack. Here we have, as you can remind, 4 models. This Tesla is the basic model, 2020 rear motor, and I found something is heating. I start touching this card, the BMS or the Batman card, and it is damaged. Now I am using a thermal camera. As you can see, we have something wrong, which is heating at almost 90 degrees, 82. And we have this integrated circuit microprocessor at 21. It can't be possible. So this microprocessor for the BMS is damaged, and it's draining my battery. This model is draining. I'm gonna check the rest of the models. So you can see there is no damage in the BMS. Now it's at, let me see, as you can see, yeah, this is it. This one, it's warm, and it is really at 22. No, 52, sorry, because of my English. And behind the board there is something really bad. I cannot handle the touching of those components. It is in this fuse, or maybe behind this. It's pretty hot there. This is number 4, and 1 year ago when I purchased this damaged car, I took the voltages, and I am reading with my voltmeter, and this part of the circuit is draining the half of the model. This model has 24 in series parallel. I don't know how many cells, the 2170s, I don't know, but this card is damaged.